Hi dear madams, welcome back to Vastranand. In today's episode, I will show you the same design, three different color combination. One is a magenta, second one is a blood red, and third one is a peacock feather color combination. Different color combination, dual tone effect next to the pure soft silk material, and Adbhutamaina, the traditional Kanchi style border, and exclusive designs of this Banarasi waves. We have more than 4,500 plus designs in our website. Each every items have multiple stocks, so don't worry about that quantity and affordable price point. That's my guarantee. You can download our applications also in Android and iOS device. Applications are live now, and our customer care executive number is 8154 000063. Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6. Let's start the first product. First product you received my personal favorite, the Bangani with a magenta fusions, the dual tone effect, a little bit small, the mango patterns in entire the body with elegant contrast color combination, the Kanchi style border with both side you receive the same size border. Let me show you the pallu first. Here you can see the very pretty, the attractive pallu with Rama color combination and Meenakari silver and golden zari waves with a fully brocade rich pallu parts with a very unique the purple color combination, the resin thread tassels part. Here you can see the fill foil of the saree, lightweighted, pretty, affordable price point, free shipping, Kashmir to Kanyakumari. You receive the totally free shipping, and this saree costs just rupees 1,695. Here you can see the softness of the saree, lightweighted breathable material, both sides you receive the same size border with a contrast color combination, rich pallu parts, and contrast color combination plain self brocade blouse piece. Here you can see the closely of this very pretty the Kanchi style border and heritage touch up of this Banarasi golden zari weaves in entire the body as well as in border part. Here you can see the thousands of polka dots patterns in a golden zari weaves and Meenakari, Rama and silver zari weaves, the small mango patterns in entire the body part. Here you can see the contrast color combination, the very pretty the self brocade blouse piece. If you need to see our entire collection via video call facility, then video call services are live now. So one day before you can book your slot on your suitable time in our customer care. Executive number 8154000063, Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6. If you like our collection, then like cheyandi, share cheyandi, subscribe cheyandi our YouTube channel, and must be follow our Instagram page Vastranand IND, and we are successfully completed 200K in a few days back, and we are providing total 6 multi-language support in our customer care executive line: Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support we are providing in our customer care executive number. Here you can see the second color combination, the blood red, pretty color combination, very brighter color combination with elegant catonic soft silk material with contrast Rama color combination, the Kanchi style borders, same designs, same body, same fill foil and affordable price point, just rupees 1,695. Here you can see the second color option. Let me show you the third color one. Last but not least, the very pretty the peacock feather color combination with contrast Rani pink color combination, the Kanchi style border. Here you can see, let me show you the very pretty and attractive the rich pallu parts. Here you can see the Rani pink color combination, the very pretty the rich pallu parts with the fully brocade of this golden zari weaves as well as the Rama color Meenakari butti and silver zari weaves, the highlighted part with a very unique the blue color combination resin thread tassels part. Here you can see the full look of this saree. In each and every saree have a different color combination Meenakari butti. Here you can see in this peacock feather color combination, pink color combination border, then you receive the pink color combination Meenakari butti. Previously you receive the blue color combination saree and Rama color combination border, then you receive the Rama color combination Meenakari buttis. Totally very detailful work with the pretty and luxurious fill foil of this golden zari weaves and heritage touch of this Banarasi Kanchi style weaves. This pretty soft silk saree you received at just rupees 1,695, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. Let me show you the blouse piece. In blouse piece, you receive the pink color combination, the contrast with a self brocade blouse piece. Vastram Madi, Anandam Medi, buy now at vastranand.in.